In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout page using Stripes in Lovable, a powerful tool that combines functionality with simplicity, providing an intuitive platform to enhance your business transactions. Let's dive into each step to ensure you have a seamless experience setting up your checkout page. First, you'll want to head over to Lovable's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in lovable.dev to access their homepage. Lovable is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating it should feel straightforward and intuitive. Once you're on the website, proceed by locating the search bar. This is where you'll initiate your project setup. What you need to type into the search bar is checkout page using Stripes. As you type, Lovable may auto-suggest features, helping you find exactly what you need swiftly. This query is crucial as it directs you to the correct template or module required for creating a checkout page. After typing your search, hit enter to move on to the next step. The enter key acts as your gateway, taking you from query to tangible results. With your search complete, you'll see a list of options. Here's where you need to select the one that aligns with your project goals. Click on the most suitable result, then allow Lovable to use the necessary tools and features. When prompted, simply click on Allow. This grants Lovable the permissions it needs to fully integrate Stripes into your checkout page setup, ensuring all features are available and functional. Next, it's time to configure your checkout page settings. Configuration might sound technical, but Lovable streamlines this process to be as straightforward as possible. Set your desired parameters aligned with your business needs, such as currencies, payment methods, and visual themes. This customization ensures your checkout page reflects your brand identity while meeting customer expectations. Once your configurations are complete, you'll want to preview your newly set up checkout page. Click on the Preview option to see a live demonstration of how your page will appear to customers. This step is important as it gives you a chance to make any final adjustments. Check for visual coherence, functionality, and ease of use to ensure everything meets your satisfaction. After previewing your page, you're ready to implement it within your platform. By now, you should feel confident seeing how all the pieces come together to create a checkout page that's not only efficient but also user-friendly and secure. In this video, we covered all the steps needed to create a checkout page using the Lovable platform with Stripes. By following these instructions, you'd have harnessed the power of Lovable to simplify and enhance your checkout processes, boosting both the user experience and your business's professionalism. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more resources for further enhancements to your business solutions.